This is a video of my 84 FL. I wanted to go over the oil pump lines. This is the suction of the pump, and this is the discharge of the pump. So the oil tank's up ahead, up overhead, and it gravity feeds into the suction. So the way a Harley works, even I believe on the new ones, is they take oil out of the oil tank. It goes into the oil pump. The suction of the oil pump goes through the motor, comes back out the motor, through the filter. Then it goes back to the oil tank. And that's pretty much the whole system. Now, this one did have oil that went on to the primary chain, but I eliminated that. And you can do that by eliminating those hoses, seal up your inner and outer primary, and then pour oil in it like an Evo. That way you don't have that clutch material or anything else that's in there going through your motor, and that's important not to have that for longevity. The other thing you have here is this hose here and this port. So this is pressure of the motor, which it allows it to relieve that through a breather hose that comes down here. It goes in that hole. But this equalizes the pressure of the motor and the pressure of the oil tank. You connect this hose to the top of the oil tank. The feed comes off the bottom of the oil tank. Now this port here, before it goes to the top of the oil tank, goes to the oil filter, and on this bike it is right there in front of the rear wheel. The oil comes in the top, goes through the filter, and back in through the center. So what that means is that the discharge of the oil pump goes through what'll be this hose here that goes under the trans and to the top of this filter setup. It's hard to see. And then from the center of the filter, it comes back, comes to this hose, and eventually this hose will go to the top of the oil filter. That will be the return. Okay? So it's pretty simple. You have vent to atmosphere down here, and usually people get one of those little filters and put them on the end of the hose, as I will. You have the pressure equalization, and you have the discharge from the pump, and you have the suction of the pump.